In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!